Some pikin wey e fail exam for BPC according to tori wey enter we ear for quarter wey dey call am say sable for Douala here. E don drink medicine sotey e die. We dey hear say dis pikin according to tori wey enter we ear. All hospital wey dey carry am go, hospital dem, doctor dem no be wan look all the pikin. Na for sika why that wey the medicine say wey the pikin e drink am for sika say e no pass exam. E picky sotey the pikin e die. We go bring una as wey the tori dey happen inside tori wey go meet up for morning time. Tori say for we strong number, we go take una go for side for Garwa wey gendarme dem say they don put hand for some two young boy dem wey dey be wan get money quick. They go na for go dig bone for die person. Gendarme people dem say they catch am inside tori too for this afternoon. We take una we go for village wey they call am say Bongala. E dey for under Bojongo court area, Boya subdivision, where the village people dem dey cry say big pacha don happen for sika say person wey get for be like chief for inside that village. They instead gina person wey e be na grand pikin on top that chapter for inside Bongala village. Population e don vex for that side, so for Bongala village. Na so said we go take una enter for Kumba as we tori the enter for inside we ear last. Kumba market e don start again. We go show na the first image for Kumba market wey open today after wey e dey so market e be don lock for more than 1 week. For sika chapter for Country Sunday and Oga City Mayor wey be lock the place. Chapter for Corona we go talk newspaper e dey and people dem wey dem don lost. We get am big part talk for this afternoon. E dey tell we say pikin for carpenter e must to sabi how for hold hammer. Say pikin for carpenter e must to sabi how for hold hammer. Peter Gallagher na we come before Facebook. Na he send we big part talk for this afternoon. As we talk for na for we strong number, we dey hear say for side for Sable na for inside Bonamusadi, Douala 5 subdivision. Pikin wey e hear say no be pass BPC exam. E don drink medicine sotey the pikin e die. As we dey talk just now, that pikin e dey na for co-house. Family e dey cry. We dey hear say as wey that pikin be drink that medicine, family be carry turn for inside hospital dem. Say at least 3 hospital where they be go there. Doctor dem deny for look at the pikin, so e make am the medicine say wey the pikin e drink am e be enter for his skin sotey last the pikin e last come die. So tomorrow when we meet up for Thursday, we go show na our chapter for this family for sika so we already learn for them for try for talk on top this palava wey pikin go kill himself for sika say e no be pass exam. Inside tori 2 for this afternoon, we go start one time. We enter for palava for boy them wey their own work na say they wan get money quick. They no wan take time small for go. Gendarmerie office for that side, so for Garwa, even state council be there and other big people them. Now we 2 small brother them this where they say they wan get money quick and how they wan take get money na for go dig die body for people them bone for die body for inside a graveyard. Now where they dig am, they wan go say tori e enter inside gendarme people them ear one time. Na so to they put them their own small trap. Them say they fall for day. The funniest thing from top the chapter na say all the pikin them Sani Robert na 19 years and even the other one na 19 years pikin them where they want make money quick. So one time after where they show them for before tori people them and population will be there for that side. One time na for courthouse as we tori enter for inside we ear. Makepe Petit Pays as we tori to enter for we ear for that side. E be dey na big trouble when you meet up army rescue ambulance motor Ilan and even the big motor e dey sabi say trouble e dey. And just so sabi army rescue people them na people there they help even bad people them when they don't do bad, when they don't shoot them. But this time they no be go na for go lost fire. Now for inside this place one at the CM so where people they chook heads. We dey hear say some company where they comot shit inside hole. Now their own people them they be one comot shit for inside some hole for some house. Now where the 2 people them they fall inside that hole. When na for the way it dey so they get for comot shit for them. Now so to population they can't turn up and now so they call army rescue people themselves where they dey from Godi all them they run camp for day for camp help for see as well they go comot that people them for inside that hold them. Two of them wey dey fall for day as we tori enter for inside we ear. Make we enter now for chapter 2 for this palaver. The whole sesep wey dey be dey for inside as well na siam na their motor that wey dey be the carry dey be the drag sheet inside some hole for them. But how the money fall for inside the hole them sesep nothing that will never fit for understand for that side. So for Makepe Petit Pay just for sabi army rescue people them they be fit for can comot them as well they land for day they comot the two people them now so to they carry them go for hospital. So as well the talk just now that two people them they dey for on top hospital beds for inside Douala here after with them too they fall inside hole where they be the drag sheet for inside comot am as well tori enter inside we here. We go take una enter for palava them for land for Fako division. We go start with this book where Chief Ntike Richards when I be chief for Mondoni he don't sign am. He don't talk say for Sika say he no want trouble for people there where they the thief land or for people them where they sell land 2 times for 2 different people them. Chief don't talk say any man where he want buy land for inside Mondoni make he come for palace they go shidon he go check all the book them if all thing correct before they come out for go show the land wey go am for buy am. Sabi say Chief Ntike Richards he dey talk the one so now after we plenty people them they don't dey complain for inside Mondoni say the man don't sell land in the he sell land for different person. So for Sikada one the chief inside Mondoni village where they call it say Chief Ntike Richards he don't talk say he no want that kind of confusion. So as a chief he don't write book he say from today any man wey want buy land correct for inside Mondoni for Tiko subdivision make he come for palace. From there they go start for discuss the other chapter. Another people that way they get problem now people them for inside Bongala village now for inside Bojongo court area for Boya subdivision their problem even as where people they dance now after where they don't put chief for inside Bongala village. But the funny thing for you now say DO he go put chief for village for Bongala now for inside Bojongo where no be na the place that where they begin for put the chief on top chair where he already show say trouble he did it. Another chapter the year na say the person where they put am for chair na grand pikin na grand pikin for chief where he dey if the chief be don't die so they no be see why DO he get for go put chair on top chair person wey na im mami he be a Bongala woman and the papa he no be na Bongala person. So the original chief wey the people there for Bongala they claim say na he get for be on top chair wey na pikin for the other chief wey don't go waka. They don't talk say that kind of thing they no like am. They beg na say make big people there for country Grand Tango wey be na the head boy for all the chief them make he try for sign book for putting them for order even as way a glad it be day as way they put the new chief on top chair. Make we hear where people then say for Bongala they talk for we they be the talk for Davidson microphone. We go start with this speaking where they inside Bongala village.
Abi a former Gebre indigenous village. Opa Bojongo Pikin, Grand Pikin for village no we can be chief inside my own village. In Bokako, the Ngalo chief inside Bongala because even a Grand Pikin. And where the chief they do to the chief of the Fako, they don't want to follow justice. But they don't forget say themselves. My late chief Chingomba die in a low ground. The other chief they go there and they are picking themselves. They go face the same thing where they pass today.
Yes, and Davidson Maimono be end for day will be put microphone to for mop for another mammy where says be day consign inside the matter for chief for Bongala village.
I want to talk and say it don't be now chieftains who will not say according to tradition and custom will not say grand pikin the follow my papa side. If I born my pikin, my boy pikin, you no get for be chief for my village. Go be na for him papa side. But the thing we would see for this Fako, the corruption too much. Plenty. The corruption not too much for Fako because chieftains now that they buy our money because you know be feel be possible say chief go die today na number 10 months when chief die then the pikin go be they no fit give chief because they don't buy our money. So we want say papa wey there for update make it the see way the pass for this Fako.
Yes, and just for Sabi, on top the same matter, we be meet up with the Pikin where the talks automatic. Now you be get for chop chair, make we hear wait till you get for talk.
I be looking for late Chief Buba William of Ogala village when we passed away. My family no been for help of powers, no authority of power since the year 1963. But today the chieftaincy don't be treated to the deal, don't take the chieftaincy from the royal family and give them to a program begin. I will take this matter to the highest authority. Which they don't do, I may be unjust. It means our voices has been silent. They cannot take away my bed rights.
And just for Sabi, as so them said that they talk, that the hope say maybe the SDO SSF, it go here with the according to them, it show say na money, it don't pass according to which with them SSF. Then they talk for that side. Just now we go remain for Fako division for talk say the mayor for Limbe 1 council where they call it Eposi Florence, my Eposi Florence. SSF, he don't put his hand for up, he swear for Limbe court for first instance, say he go do work according to where the population where they put it for chair, they put it for they for doam. Sabi say ma Eposi Florence will be woman mayor for that side. So for Limbe 1, he swear the oath for inside court for first instance, and he come up after with the other mayor for inside Limbe 1 where they call him Rodani Mbua Mokako. He says he died. So after council people them she done. Now for this say where they pick ma Eposi Florence like the new mayor for inside Limbe 1. So he don't put it up for up. He swear say go do all thing. The one it happened for before big people them for inside Fako division. Make we hear the first talk from ma Eposi Florence we been at the mayor for Limbe 1 council as we the advice mami them and people there they do can we stay make the come sign book for marriage say over the year.
I want to tell my country people then for Limbe 1 say they don't swear me for courts like a municipal magistrate for sign their documents like marriage certificate, birth certificate, death certificate. So I go like say I know why make them get that can we stay. Make they come, they meet up me, we arrange how for sign their legal documents because plenty mami they don't know say can we stay e no fine. E no mean say you must get money for sign those documents now free. So make they come for Limbe 1 council. We go make sure say they get documents so that in case you be widow you go get your grounds. If na paper it talk, if you not get marriage certificates when now una don't stay for marriage for 20 years you no hold water you no go fit gain anything from your husband. So I did call on the Limbe population say make they come more especially for clean this town. Limbe don't ever be a clean town. So make my sisters and brothers, may they come out, may they join we, may all we work together for this Limbe, for clean this place, even for this period where coronavirus day.
And ma Eposi Florence, as we don't give advice, now for Parafa, now for people them, for join hand, for make Limbe 1, it happen fine. Another people there where they don't put their hand for up for swear, say this way they go do now only work, where they don't talk for them, now this 9 magistrates, soldier magistrate them, where they swear for up, put their hand for up, for swear for inside military court, on Tuesday, for that side, so for Yawende, Sabi Seb say, na big ngondere, the big woman says for inside this court, for Yawende, soldier them court, where they call a military court, Colonel Eko Epus Abenam Bezwa, where he put them, and he don't talk for them. Say, as well they don't swear, so say they go be na magistrate, soldier magistrate them. May they sabi said no be na them get all the power for their hand. For say may they do any kind of thing for this. So he don't talk for them. Say anything they do may they try for respect human right. Sabi say never overstay. When Kunkuma says it be make this a point for these 9 magistrate them, and Sabi say they divide them for places like Yawende, Bafusam, Bamenda, Buya, Betwa, Gadwa, and Marwa military call them. So the big woman says, Colonel Eko Epus Abenam Bezwa, he don't talk, say any work where these 9 soldier magistrate them they get for doam inside the different court them. Now for say me the member say they get for respect. Human rights say no be na them get power for talk say the man go from Gata or the other man he no go from Gata. Say me they do the work according to waiting we book for law people them. He don't put them for before. Make them no do am another kind style. We take una enter for different chapter just now. Country people them as well as Sabi. Plenty rain wey don dey fall inside a country. Na so too dey cause confusion for different end them for inside we country. One time we go take una go for side where they call am say Kribi. For that side, so for Kribi, palava for erosion. It means say na strong water where it dey comot for a river, it can jam, it don't dey cause confusion for town. So people then say for town just now, they don't live with the fear for their hearts as well. The plenty rain, it don't chakara even stick them where they just so corner water. So the people them they fear na fear and they beg semen gomna, he can do something before something he do them. And just so Sabi will be promised una inside this week say day so we go take una enter for Sable for Bonamusa di Douala. 21 day for inside this moon where rain is show head. Sabi say flying boats he enter for inside quarter for carry people them. Una see am.
L'eau c'est la magie là-bas, mais pas chez nous. J'ai pas connecté.
C'est là-bas.
D'accord. C'est la magie, man.
Yes, Bonamusa di na for Douala 5 subdivision for Douala here. Number 21 day for August. As we na Kenu, it be the carry people them for inside road for quarter. For Sika plenty rainway it before. Just now we go take on our start talk on top this problem will be passed for inside Kumba. It be there this week and it be there on Tuesday. Sabi say will be start. Una don't see the image go show already concerning this business woman them for inside Kumba big market where them say they be make waka for vex on Tuesday. For talk say waiting they don't over suffer say August City Mayor it be lock their business place them for that side so for big market for Kumba. Wetin wey happen? They say na for Sika say they no degree open for Monday. Wey inside Cape Town, people that they talk say na they no fit for open am. After we city mayor office it be locked for them. They no be fit for see city mayor. Victor Nkelen Go, the woman themselves they sabi the next place where they go. Now for palace for VE Mukete. Now for that side help where this woman they be fed turn up plenty time for gate as well they turn up plenty time and from VE Mukete and even the new big man for Bafo people them Chief Ekoko and Mukete the fourth or them be there they hear now so to they give authorize say me this woman them they enter for inside a palace for try for talk with where they pass and Sabi say the woman them they talk say they know they lock their business place for Sika say they like for lock but not just for Sika say sometime them if they want for do something where you know they find other people then say they go come burn their place them where they no one losses so now for Sika whether they no gree open and so inside palace now woman them they be paka for them. We go here wait where this mommy then say then talk as so they be there with the mayor city mayor for inside Kumba yesterday.
That very first day when I come for market, I be talk how they harass me from Bongero here. General Secretary talk say it means that they get for apply to the government may send more security. We are not secure. As we come out with branches from different places that they harass me. I don't talk. I be talking about that they don't harass me from Bongero here 2 times. I show them my Bible with rosary. I said I come to church on Monday. Papa, I beg. Now that one where we declare say, we gonna think about. We not deny. We not go open we market now. But that Monday, Papa, we go come out. We go come out. Now you we declare. We don't declare no nothing.
Kumba for Tuesday, and city mayor for the town, Victor Nkele Ngotu, it be get time for talk with the woman them after we be do meet up with Fonvi Imukete, them all them to the talk on top the palaver. Make we hear wait to a talk for this woman them.
Go unseal the stores. I never finished talking, but when I don't see stuff in my mouth, go do that business. So Amber man will come attack the number. I want just cut story short. Say, from Dino Mukete, you say, as you do so, make traditional council, you come for this palaver. Now when I see them, so when I say when I come for palace, that means when I be liars now. Don't mean that so. Don't be so. Yes, but that way me I be tell when I go market, me na landlord. I'm not the landlord for market. No other person be landlord than me. When I promise for me inside market, and I be a liar. Think about yourself. Think about your family directly. Think about the obligations you wanna get them for our family. I wanna know say this thing they so it better both we come for market, do our business, so that for our base caller we will support what picking them way they will go to school. I don't talk my own.
Yes, Victor Nkele Ngo, city mayor for Inside Kumba, we be the talk for that mami them. And just so Sabi say after we they finish talk, one time traditional council them, we not chief them for Bafor and the woman themselves and even city mayor direction. Now for Kumba big market with the woman them all plus the traditional council chief them, they go open the main gate where it be consigned, say they get for open and so that put they enter. So even the chief them, they be take time for bless the place and even for prayer for the place. As we mami then say them glad say they so last they don't open them that be in a place. So it be dinner on Tuesday where they open them, even as we mami them they no sell or they get them for enter for Kumba big market. They open them for please this mami them this afternoon. Make we see as we Kumba day the big market says up. Nothing that one at the CM just now. Tin them they don't turn back to normal inside Kumba big market for this afternoon. Wednesday we the catch image just for that side for Kumba. So tin them they don't turn back to normal as we bine people them. They don't open all their bine place them. Nothing that way no be don't happen for the past 1 week and even 1 week 2 days for Sika say they respect country Sunday for inside town for Kumba. But Sabi say the mami them so now they never agree say Monday they go open again for Sika Palava for country Sunday. So market it define as soon I don't see them with una eye them. Make we enter quick for some of the small thing them for chapter for Corona. Then we take announce, so get them for we country. And just so sabi, as of a Tuesday night, will come out for year. John Hopkins University, Litewi, 23,658,038 people them. Total Corona sick people them inside the whole world. 15,342,327 people them where they don't well for the whole world. And 813,265 people they don't already die for Zika corona inside the whole world. For South Africa on Tuesday now 151,567 people them 1,567 people them with the catch sick 3,578,836 people them where they don't already make tests for their skin. And for South Africa we get plenty people them where they don't catch sick. We get 613,000 17 people them where they don't catch the sick, and 520,381 people where they already well, and more than 12,000 people them they already die for Zika corona for inside South Africa. Ivory Coast as well they give for we on Tuesday. Now 55 people them with the catch them, or 56 people there they catch them with the sick. 275 people them already they well on Tuesday. No person no die. 1,540 people them they don't they so dey on top sick beds. Corona since we enter Ivory Coast now 17,582 people them with they get the sick, and 15,000 and more than 14,000 people them with they already well, and 114 people them they don't already die for Ivory Coast for Zika corona. Nigeria also Siam Buhari country on Tuesday 252 new cases for corona sick people there they catch them. One day they don't get the sick since we enter Buhari country 52,800. One day they don't well 39,964, and one day they don't die 1,007 people them we they already die for Buhari country since corona he enter for day. Make we take announce we dey for week before we get case them for people that they don't lose for this afternoon country people them. Make we try for enter. We get this first one where they call it Mvemie Chanel. He then 17 years old, and they talk say he don't come out for house he come out for house. No man, he no sabi side with this girl. He don't go, and sabi self say he did so he never even go for their family house or even from Buddha. They say na pikin where they for 4M for inside primary school, and he talk fine. Emmanuel Macron country talk he hate it turn out fine. So family for meetup 10 them he beg any person where you don't see this their pikin make it call 676-78-0-66 677-029-368, or if you take it for any police or gendarme them office where they for corner, maybe even Equinox Story House, you bring them. Another one and another case for loss we will get them for you this afternoon. A consign na this speaking. We get this speaking where they call them say Fru Festus Naman picking Fru Festus to 60 years. They talk say they be putty he be there for on top hospital bed for Douala here, but he dey like say after 2 weeks he run come up for hospital. Now on Sunday way family says he discover say no day for hospital again, and this man he get problem with his head. Means say no he had no turn fine. So the family the beg any person will see this man even as we had no over that kind of way. He the talk Queen Elisa country talk, and the beg say any person will see him make it try for call the number them for before tele 694-153-445 679-154-444 677-558-967, or if you bring it for Equinox Story House. We don't finish for this afternoon country people them. Mamati da be there for back machine. Malisa be make I look me for Facebook Live. Francis Boyom he be get his own work for do and for say make you see me for outside day. If Papa God help Thursday for 8 o'clock we go meet up on a whole tight.